One common question on everyone's mind is when will any effective vaccine against COVID-19 be available for use? There are more than 200 vaccine candidates at various stages of development all over the world. Here we talk about those that could likely alter the course of pandemic in this country and the world. Let me tell you about Serum Institute's Covishield. Pune-based Serum Institute of India has developed Covishield vaccine in collaboration with researchers and scientists at the Oxford University and Swedish-British firm AstraZeneca. The vaccine has been developed from a weakened version of a common cold virus called adenovirus. Serum Institute and the Indian Council of Medical Research are presently conducting phase 3 trials in India at different places. By 31st October, the trial had achieved the enrollment of around 1,600 participants. Covishield has gone through effectiveness trials in the UK and Brazil that have produced encouraging results. Vaccine trials were conducted in two different ways. The first one achieved 62% efficacy and the second one saw around vaccine to be 90% effectiveness. On an average, the effectiveness has been found to be around 70%. Reports suggest that Serum Institute has already manufactured 40 million doses of the vaccine under the at-risk manufacturing and stockpiling license from the government-regulated Drugs Controller General of India (DCGI). Reports suggest that this vaccine will be available from early 2021. Second is Moderna COVID vaccine. US-based biotech firm Moderna was one of the first vaccines that went for human trials in March 2020. Recently, this firm has released early results from clinical trials of its coronavirus candidates mRNA-1273. The company said that the vaccine was found to be 94.5% effective. As per reports, there were no side effects like injection site pain, muscle pain, headache and fatigue. The study was conducted on more than 30,000 participants in the US in collaboration with the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease. But there is one problem with this vaccine. It has to be stored in an extremely cold environment. Third one is Pfizer BNT162b2. US pharma giant Pfizer and its German partner BioNTech published the final analysis of clinical trial data. It has shown that its COVID-19 vaccine was 95% effective. The United Kingdom has become the first country in the world to approve the Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine for use and has said that it will be rolled out from early next week. The vaccine will be made available across the UK from next week. The US drug maker and partner BioNTech said their vaccine protected people of all ages and ethnicities. The study has been conducted on around 44,000 participants so far with no serious safety issues. Reports suggest that the United Kingdom has already ordered 40 million doses of the two-shot product because of its promising results in vaccine efficacy. Reports suggest that the company is expected to manufacture around 50 million vaccine doses in 2020 across the world. And now, fourth is Russian vaccine Sputnik V. In August 2020, Russian government's Gamaleya Center and the Russian Direct Investment Fund registered the first COVID vaccine called Sputnik V in the world. Makers of the vaccine said the vaccine showed 92% effectiveness in preventing COVID-19. Report also said that no adverse events were reported. But there were some short-term minor side effects like pain at the injection site and flu-like symptoms including fever, weakness, fatigue and headache. There was huge global criticism by the scientists that Russia has registered the vaccine in haste without proper trials. The government of India and Russia are collaborating on conducting clinical trials in India soon. And the last one is Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. It is India's indigenous COVID-19 vaccine developed by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with the ICMR's National Institute of Virology. It has completed phase 1 and 2 clinical trials. It is currently undergoing phase 3 trials involving 26,000 volunteers at 25 sites across the country. Vaccine will be available only in 2021. Bharat Biotech MD Dr. Krishna Illa had earlier said the vaccine will cost less than a water bottle. Reports suggest that phase 1 of the Covaxin trial had shown some adverse effects in one volunteer during the trial. There are other vaccines that are undergoing clinical trials by Zydus Cadila, Genova Pharmaceuticals, COVID vaccine and Biological E.